All right. Let's go to. You want to go to build fights? Can you hear me? Taze?
Oh yeah, it was muted.
No, you want to go to build fights?
Oh yeah, sure.
Just do it.
They are pumping. Yeah, Bitcoin will pump.
Oh man, where is the YouTube? I have to pop up the YouTube. Give me one sec. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Oh, yo, you might have to take this one for a sec, bro. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. If you guys are here early, I'm just playing with one of our community members from the gaming channel. How do I pop this out? Oh, here it is. Okay, pop out chat. Dope. Oh man, this guy's killing me right now. There we go. Yeah, my bad, bro. Oh man. Yeah, guys, we're gonna run the timer. I'm gonna play some games and chill out while the timer runs out. Well, because you know what? It's always good to, you know, get your mind going and do something you like. Like Rubik's Cubes, if you guys don't have like a Rubik's Cube or something, or not even like a Rubik's Cube, like if you're trying to get in the zone and the vibe for something, you gotta be like super engaged. And like, you know, for me, it's Fortnite. And Taze, he's from the gaming channel on our Discord, so I was like, let's play some Fortnite. You good, bro? Hot Taze? Chilling?
Yeah,
Ready to smack these guys up? Oh, this guy's good.
yeah, this guy's very good.
Oh, go. Oh boy. Ooh, crack this guy. Oh, I'm about to die. I got him. I'm coming to you. Got him. Oh, no, I don't.
Back.
I fell. Give me 1 second, guys. See, this game is not easy. People think this game is easy.
What do you white?
I'm spraying. In. Nope, not. Circus. Dang it. Dude, this kid is running away. Okay, give me a sec, bro. Here, I'm gonna spray him. Just go. I'm spraying. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, timer is almost done. We're gonna be going over some great stuff. We don't have music right now. We're just trying to vibe, get in the zone. Get in the zone, guys. We are getting in the zone. We're going to be going over some basic market structure. We have some community updates that I want to show you guys for those of you that are not updated or up to speed with things. And just want to show you guys the overall improvements that we've done with our community because, well, I mean, at the end of the day, we wouldn't be here without you guys. So, you know, you guys should be recognized. Look at this guy. Man, but yeah, guys. Where these guys at? Like, you see this? They're just gone. Little guy up here, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Where'd they go? What the heck? Where are they at? Timer's about to run out. Psych. Timer's out. timer is in my ear. No. Close. Okay, give me 1 sec. I gotta kill this guy. Oh my lord. Bro, what was that guy doing? Wow. Okay, here, I'm gonna hop off, Taze. I'm gonna go onto the stream.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, bro. I'll talk to you later on, man.
Yeah.
Later, bro.
Bye.
Okay, guys. Dope. Dope. The timer is off. That means we should have enough people in the stream. Let's see how many people are in the stream. 11 people. Dope. Dope, dope, dope. Guys, I'm going to post this link into the Discord so everybody can see. I'm going to grab this right here and expand that like that and bring this over here like this. I have a lot of stuff on my desktop, I know. Grab that. Put that in there, open that. All right, guys. All right, we are here. We made it. We are chilling, ladies and gentlemen. We are in the Bitcoin space. I'm gonna put this over here actually. Okay, so welcome to Shane. Welcome, man. Welcome to the stream. We have Clay. What's up, Clay? What is good, brother? Brad. What's up, Brad? Me. Clay Farnett. Midnight. Hey, Midnight. Hey, guys. What is good? What is good? What is good? Gotta be in the zone sometimes. Here, I gotta post this on the Discord. I have to go right here. YouTube announcements. Boom. Boom. Hopefully that went through. If it didn't, I'm going to go ahead and post it. Well, hopefully that went through. Let me know, guys. I don't know if you guys got the link or not. I posted it on the Discord. It should be in this channel. It should be in this channel right here. If I can pop it up. Should be right here. I don't know if you guys see this. Do you guys see this? Let me know, please. Any space on the desktop? Yeah, man, Chemist. I do not, man. I don't mess around with that stuff. You know? Anthony, does the Asian markets frequently pump and slowly dump every opening? Well, everything is always possibilities, but at the end of the day, you know, it for the most part, it does. It does. Why, right? You know, the why is really not as irrelevant as the fact that it does do that. So, well, we just gotta take it for what it is and just sit there and just watch them dump the price, you know? Oh, Xavier actually sent some music. Xavier 3.0 in the chat. He sent over some music. I'll be playing it in a little bit. I might play it in a different stream, Xavier, just cause this I kind of have some announcements I want to put out, and I don't want to get sidetracked because I'm probably gonna bump to it really hard and like jam to it on stream, and I'm probably gonna get carried away. I definitely will get carried away, man. I love music, bro, and you know you made some pretty good those two MP3s that you sent me were fire. 30 people in the chat. 30 people. Midnight, you know the drill. 100 likes, C130 stream indicator for the bull breakout. You already know it, bro. You already freaking know it, bro. We're gonna get this bread. We're gonna get this bread, guys. We're all gonna look at this Bitcoin price, just you know, do its thing and just at the wibbly wobbly, right? And everyone's sitting there like, what's happening? But us, remember, guys, we're patient. We're on the side. We're looking at this right here, and we're like, where's the opportunities, or even an opportunity here? We're not just going, oh well, looks like a bottom, let me buy in, and then you know you're in profits, and then you lose your money because, well, this is probably the only time you ever catch the bottom, because the percentages of trying to catch that are almost impossible. So let's not look at what we want to see. To somebody, this was a bottom. To somebody, this was a bottom. To somebody, this was a bottom. To somebody, this was also a bottom, guys. All of this could just be a ginormous bottom. Isn't that crazy? So at the end of the day, we have to take the data for what it is. And while we have to understand that we went down in a short period of time, relatively fast, you know, this move was very quick, and so was this move right here. So we're in a very good area of price honestly being more probable to go down than it is to go up, depending on how we react with everything. So if you just see every single session as a position that somebody has taken, you need green dots on that pick, right? If you just think of this as a position, right, that everyone took, well, we have to see that, you know, we got some red right here, right? You know, I'll use trend lines, right? Well, these will represent stop losses. So people who went in right here, right? So, I mean, their stop loss is somewhere up here, okay? These people right here as well, well, their stop loss is, you know, somewhere up here as well. Same for these people. They got in, right? Some wicks right there. There's going to be some stops right here, right? It's going to get kind of redundant with all the lines, but we'll just do it just because, just to kind of show you guys how at least I perceive this to be, right? Regardless of how many lines there are. The lines are honestly kind of irrelevant, but you can kind of just draw these lines out where the lines of resistance are. And a lot of people just, you know, they just draw them, you know, like a straight line. But I mean, we can just take these as stops. So if we just see these as stop losses, where if the price breaches this and automatically triggers, you know, a sell-off, which makes people buy back their positions, well, there's quite a bit of those right there that we would most likely blow through if we get a good enough momentum of the price action shooting through. So like if we go from here, you know, I mean, let's just say right here, for example, where we're at now, you know, so we'll include just right here as an area. Well, I mean, we can just see this. If we blow through this right here, you know, and we go above it, that's cool and all, but this is a big gap. So if the price goes above this line, there's a possibility that these people here, or these people here, or these people here for that case, would probably just be adding back into their positions, you know, because maybe they're dollar cost averaging in. And there's just so much euphoria right now for these guys because they're just making money off the wazoo right now, right? You know, it's like, oh, put some here and it's going down. You want a dollar cost average in and you're just, you know, you're just killing it, right? So with all this that's going on, it's more probable that these guys will probably add to their positions and see this as an opportunity. But the probability of the price going down may be higher just because of the fact that we have all that going on, right? I mean, honestly, we have some big run-ups too. So if we just reverse down, same thing, you know? So let me get rid of these dots. So, I mean, it just depends, right? It just depends, honestly, at the end of the day. It just depends. But you know what? Honestly, guys, I wouldn't let what's happening right now bother you. It's all about chilling, right? It's all about just taking life one step at a time. And it's all about being able to fully relax your mindset and being able to capitalize on the idea that you're not letting the market rule you. You're not sitting here and you're not gonna, you know, see the price go a certain way and tell yourself, well, I sure wish it went this way, and if it went to this much and, you know, I got in at this price, I'll make this much. It's like, no, you can't do that. Okay, don't expect that. Say, well, I could get XYZ return, but I really have to put this much down. So for me to be able to, you know, not get stopped out, I gotta be able to buy in this much. Think of a stop loss as a buy-in. How much money are you willing to put into yourself for that trade? How much are you gonna pay the market maker that day for playing his game? You know, you're gonna play a game of rock, paper, scissors with the market maker. How much money are you betting on the table? Right? Look at how much money he may be betting on the table. Think about what he may be doing, what the probabilities are for everything, you know? Let me see. I'm gonna read some chat because I'm actually trying to focus a little bit, but I'm trying to look at the price action and look at the chat at the same time. All right. Long and short says I do not get notification until now. Well, bruv, here you are, mate. You're chilling, you're relaxing, enjoying your time. I'm glad to have you here. So great time in the crypto markets. Clay Farnett, thumbs up. Hell yeah, man. What's up, dude? You're the man. No credits. I love talking to you on Discord, brother. Smart individual. Very good feedback. 3 a.m. trader. What's up, brother? What's up, Brad? Midnight. The 3 a.m. trader got wrecked by price action. Yeet. Let's get this red pill, says Jake the Cake. Xavier, LOL. Got you, bro. The 3 a.m. trader. Man, the chat's going off fast. My son, why is that man talking about bottoms? Well, you know what? You know what? That's because the bottom is where everything always starts off from. The foundation, man. Everything you ever talk about came from a bottom at one point, if you think about it. If you dig deep enough into your brain. Alec K, for those who did not win the live training, did you get to see the replay? Guys, the live training has not came out yet. Not yet. We have not done the live training. So, guys, if you could please be so awesome to check this page out. You don't have to. I'm going to go ahead and paste it on the description right here, or on the chat. Okay. I'm going to paste it. If you go to this Instagram right here, and just if you don't have Instagram, right, and you know, this doesn't cost you anything, right? Let's just say you don't have Instagram. Well, this is our first page that we've made. This is our first post. It says, welcome to the Trade Vets Instagram, because that's the group that we have, me, 3 a.m., and Bitcoin Brad. Happy to have our YouTube and Discord family here. If you found us by a referral or by through scrolling, well then, welcome. You're in the right spot. This is the home of Bitcoin Brad, the C130, and the 3 a.m. trader, where we run the stops, trade the structure, and teach you how you can do the same. And a little emoji of running them stops. That's what you got to do, guys. You got to run the stops, okay? When you're driving, you don't ever just, you don't go to the road and you just don't, you know, pull up a little bit and then fully stop and go. You move up and you're probably running late because you got to go to work. You know, you just got done with the kids. You know, they got to go to school. You're running late for work. You know, you see a stop sign and you're like, yeah, screw the stop sign because I got to go to work. And if you're going to give me a ticket, then that's cool and all. But I mean, I'm going to get to where I'm going to go to. And so sorry about that. I need this money. Right. And guys, right, running those stop signs, screw it. But at the end of the day, right, the reason why is because you got to go to work and you got to do this job that you don't want to do, because trust me, I was there. You know, it's just like, I don't want to go to work. I just want to play video games and, you know, chill and enjoy my time, you know. And I ran into trading and I was like, wow, this is awesome. And well, it's a learning curve. Me, Bitcoin Brad, and 3am want to make things easier for you guys. It's harder for most people than others because of the time and their schedule and things. So check this page out, okay? Just, you know, if you have an Instagram, go in there, check it out. It's our first post. We'll be giving away a free course giveaway, right? A free trading session, right? A free training session. That's all it is. So we're going to go ahead and have a layout of things we're going to teach you guys for that day. 20 people will be selected after we reach 500 followers. And if you want the rest of the entries, are right here. Follow all these other pages and it gives you an extra entry. And we have a tracker on here. If you click right here, boom, boom, the raffle entry list. You can go ahead and check your name out there and see where you're at, right? People on the top are more likely to get selected first. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 already, all completed. We got 5 people so far. So, you know, we only have 15 spots left. So none of this costs any money, guys. None of it. Not a single dollar. We want to teach you guys how to do this. And we want to get as much exposure as possible to other potential friends that we can have to become part of our community, man. You know what I'm saying? We'll be chilling. We'll be chilling. We will be chilling, guys. So check that out. Check it out. It's worth checking. Let's see. Read some chat. Man, the chat's going so fast. I end up talking so much. Okay, let's get this red pill. Got you, bro. Crypto Chemist dancing, long and short. Yeah, hey guys, smash the like button. Smash the like button. Check out that like button. All right. It's you know, it's only there for feedback, and if you guys truly enjoy the content, then go ahead and hit that button and you know, have your opinion heard and see what you think about it. And if you don't like the content, then there's a dislike button. And well, that lets me know that I need to get better at what I'm doing, and I take it as a positive sign that we have more to improve on and more quality to provide to you guys. Because you know what, at the end of the day, it's all about being consistent and staying with what you do. It's kind of like trading, except you know, we truly care about our community. It's so awesome. I do not want this to I am going to do everything I can to make sure that we all are known very well in the crypto space as one of the best communities out there. You know, I want this to be an amazing thing for you guys. You need green dots on that podcast where I left. Okay, green dots. I do need green dots. I do need some green dots, guys. Okay, we get those green dots going, and well, you know what? We go to the moon, right? Well, that's at least what they tell you with these indicators. That's what they tell you. Guys, I am C130 now. Because there were a lot. So we you know, the entire team, right? 3AM, Bitcoin Brad, myself. We want this YouTube to extend into the future, and for us to be future proof. There were a lot of things with the C137 and, you know, the Rick and Morty kind of stuff that I was, you know, using. Just kind of like because I like Rick and Morty, but you know, from a growth perspective, so that way we can all continue doing what we do, right? When our community is doing so well, you know, and it starts getting a lot of following and stuff, and we welcome all these other people into our community and help them succeed, and people are naturally attracted. They're like, you know, human beings are magnets for value. They end up coming to places that benefit them, and our places, it benefits everybody. Our entire Discord benefits everybody, right? So people are going to start coming in, and it's just going to be an issue when like people are going to be like, oh, well, he had Rick and Morty art on his stuff. Like, you know, that means that, I don't know, we can run ads on his video with Rick and Morty stuff and get, you know, money for it. La la la. It's like, okay, whatever, bro. Like nobody's out here for any of that stuff. We don't care. Like, so to prevent legal issues, I just changed it. I'm like, whatever. C130, guys. We're C130. I'm over here clicking this pen. We're C130. We're chilling. We're relaxing and enjoying our time. That's all everything is. It's a great, amazing time. That's all it is. That's all it is. All right. I got hooked on red pills. And I ain't going to rehab, says Clay. Yeah, man. I mean, honestly, bro, don't even worry about going to rehab. Ain't nobody going to force you, bro. No need to go to rehab. What they going to do? Take you out of your Lambo? You know? They're going to drag you out of your Lambo, make you go to rehab. You know, they're going to be like, you know what, man? That's a nice car. I don't want to break it. He could stay in there. The red pill will set you free. And Clay, man, he's all about it. Crypto chemist is fried. You guys crack me up. So, some of the other things that we're gonna go over. We changed up the Discord a little bit. As you guys can see, we have quite a bit of things that we changed. Check out everything, guys. We want people to feel free in here. If you guys have any suggestions, there should be a suggestion page. I dragged it under the resources, okay? So we read these. We need your guys' feedback. So check out the channel, jump in, check it out, see what you guys think. We have a welcome category. It has the rules. It has the general chat is there. Social medias are here. Excuse me. Check out those social medias, right, guys? I mean, we're gonna try to be doing things on other platforms to extend to other people, because, guys, you have to understand, you know, seeing it from a perspective of helping people. We are on the YouTube platform, and since we're on the YouTube platform, the only people who are able to receive our content are people who are on, you know, just using YouTube. And again, you know, we want to reach to as many people as possible, especially the ones that don't know about us, because those are the ones that could benefit from this the most. Are, you know, fresh minds that are willing to, you know, put forth their effort. So we want to start streaming on places like Twitch as well. You know, we're doing like a dual stream, or we'll stream on YouTube but also Twitch, because we want some of these people that are making money from video games and stuff to truly know the value of money, because a lot of people have, you know, very good potential, but they don't know how to manage it. So we want to be able to provide value to other people as well, and to bring in people from all sorts of places. Our Discord has people from different places around the earth. We have people of all sorts of backgrounds doing amazing things and just participating in one of the biggest life-changing events that barely come, that have a very high rarity rate. You know, things like this are rare. Not many people, not everybody knows this is going on. Okay, and like I said, guys, look, one of the members from our Discord, Taze, he's in the gaming channel. Okay, let me see. We have the gaming channel right there, right? One of the guys from our Discord, Taze, okay, I play Fortnite with him. He's a smart kid, 16 years old, you know, lives in Mexico, you know, and he is all about cryptocurrency. He's all about learning. He showed me all the stuff he was reading just to catch up. He started with $500 and now he's at 5,000. So like, you know, smart kid, learned risk management, and he's here. He wants to grow. And how you know, how do we find each other? Well, through the gaming tab, you know. He joined the gaming tab. We started talking. I play video games. So our community's great. So many amazing people in here. So many amazing people. Let me read some chat. Biggest growth potential comes from TikTok at the moment. Shade says Chasen. I definitely agree 100%. It's just that the algorithm is finicky because, you know, while we want to put out videos that give you value, you know, and like putting out a video that has, you know, like it just says, hey, you know, this is the trade alert, you know, look at this and that, and then we post the results. When people are scrolling, like they don't care about that. Like you just gotta be loud for no reason. You gotta make a video like I don't know, like, you know, some people on YouTube, they'll be like, in this video, we're going to be going over the Bitcoin price. Guys, check this out. Like, and they're screaming in their mics. And it's just like, guys, if you look at the bottom of the schematic, you can see that Bitcoin. It's like, wow. Like, you know, like, man, I didn't come here for that. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, wow. I overdid it with that one. You know, we want to be able to provide value and not clickbait. That's just not us. We don't want to go out there into YouTube and drive up with some Lambos, like rent a Lamborghini for a day and roll up with the Lambo and be like, do you want to know how I got all this money? Do you know how I made it to the top 1%? You know, it's like, get out of here, man. Go back to your room and just chill. Like, you know, nobody wants that. People just want a chill place. They want to trade. They want to relax. They want to make money at their own pace. They don't care about your pace. They don't care about what you have. They want what they want, and what you have isn't what they want. So like, you know what I mean, guys, right? You know, that's what it's about. You know, you gotta really be real with it. And our community is 100% transparent, super real with each other. We're all just out here. And people gravitate to hype. Yeah, exactly. People gravitate to hype, man, you know? And so again, that buries into your psychology, into your mindset as to who you are as a trader, right? If you become a great and excellent trader, you're also, you know, you're also developing very good life skills. You start seeing things differently. Let's say you don't have to work. Let's say you have enough money that you've made from trading or making investments, and you want to go back to work. Well, then you gauge your time and your pay differently. You know, you see money as what you're getting as a reward of something. Is me putting forth this much physical and mental capital towards something worth this much in dollars? And you start looking at like the risk that's involved with the job, what you're getting paid for. Is the risk worth the reward? And you start looking at it and you see some jobs and you're just like, man, you know, do I want to have a 10% stop loss, you know, go in the red, 10%, negative 10%, but only try to shoot for like a 2% trade, you know, like, you know, total gains back after everything. It's like, no, like nobody's going to do that. You get to grow life skills out of this. And honestly, guys, that's what we want to teach, is also we want to teach very good life skills with everything. Exactly as predicted in this video. That's what we'd be saying. Guys, we need to get ready. I bet the farm. Russia didn't hack the pipeline or the meat plant. It's coming. Clay Farney, do you get that from Benjamin Cohen? You bet the family farm. I wouldn't just bet the family farm. We say, hold the Forbes interviews, right? We're not there yet. Long and short, I'm working on some dope fidget spinners for you guys. Thanks, man. Yeah, I mean, dude, we want to, you know, our community's awesome, dude. Like, you guys are dope. This man. This man goofy. Why'd he do that? Freaking. Yeah, I mean, honestly, guys, we're out here just chilling. We're here just chilling. So, we're gonna go over the last trade that we had on here. So we had an update on the Bitcoin potential trades, right, which is found in the admin trade alerts. If you guys are part of this, you guys can also post your trades here. This is the member trade alerts. You guys can post your trades here. I would follow this, honestly. You know, I do, you know, the TA is good, but we have a channel where you can post what you see. So if it's Bitcoin USD and you're trying to short, reject off of, you know, whatever EMA, you know, do the TA in the trading with indicators underneath the Bitcoin one, you know, which he did. That's fine, right? So NA God, you know, did that. But you know, to keep things organized, once you have your TA on there, okay, keep your TA in here, and then when you go to the potential trades, the trade alerts on their member trade alerts, just post it in this format, okay, right here. Whatever your entry was, your stop loss, your take profit, and a description of what you see the price doing, and your trade plan. So post everything, right? You can post the picture still, but just have the basic information, right? I mean, you know, he did put this, but just try to keep it organized, okay? We're all adults here at the end of the day, right? We want to have structure and a little bit of a system rolling. A little bit of a system. At C130, did you check out Wisdom Bites? Yeah, I looked at him. I gotta get a hold of him. I don't know if he has a Discord. I saw him on YouTube. You know what, here? Wisdom Bites. I'm gonna subscribe to him. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely check him out. I like how his thumbnails are like just a repeat of what he put on there. You know, very transparent, not clickbaity. He definitely enjoys what he's doing because he shows a lot of consistency. Wow, very smart old fella. Okay. He is wise, I can tell you that much. Because a lot of people that do YouTube, you know, they don't see what Bitcoin has to offer. Looks like a very nice guy. I definitely will contact him for sure. Does he have a Discord? 3 days ago.
Hello and welcome to Wisdom Bites. Hope you're well. Thank you once again for joining us. Very much appreciated.
Oh, he's very kind as well. Wow, he's very grateful. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely gonna hit him up. Okay, wow. Yeah, for sure. I can definitely check him out, guys. Here, I'm gonna post his link again. For those of you guys that are new, we have some new people. We're doing a trading session giveaway. Just check it out, right? We have so far the updates under... I saw them earlier. Where was it? Is it under general chat? Social? Yeah, social it is. So far we have 5 people that have qualified for the class. 5 people so far. It's, you know, a session on Zoom. Just follow the rules on Instagram, and it'll put you guys in here. You know, it's just you just have to share a few things. So, you know, we just wanna provide you guys with value, and we also want to reach as many people as we can. If you guys know anyone that can benefit from what we have to offer, let them know, right? Check out the Trade Vets. This isn't a play, like, we accept all kinds of people, right? Everyone here is unique. We love the fact that we're one of the most unique Discords. It's just, you know, maybe if there's somebody who maybe doesn't trade anything and be like, hey, check these guys out, you know, maybe they can help you out, and they'll pop in the Discord. We'll help them out. We just want people to know that if they are looking for anyone that is willing to teach them anything, that they should at least be looking towards the direction we're at, so that we can see them and get to them. We want to meet them in the middle, guys. Long and short, I was bragging about your work. Or at Long and Short, I was bragging about your work to Bitcoin. We're at C130. I refuse to TikTok, or whatever the hell you kids call it. TikTok? TikTok? What do you mean? I'm not a kid. I'm a grown man, dude. I'm 26 years old, brother. I am a grown man. I refuse to be talked like I'm a child. I'm not a kid. I'm actually a grown man. That's why I can talk like this, because I'm very well experienced. That's right. Can actually change my voice at will. Kind of crazy, isn't it? It's like allowed to process. Guys, check out these other things right here too. These lifestyle ones. These lifestyles we have underneath the lifestyle, right? This is awesome. Happy hour lounge, right? Post whatever you want in here. Chill, you know. Pets. Look at everyone. Look at these pets, man. Look how cute these animals are, bro. Look at this dog. This dog is just awesome, bro. This is Doink's dog, bro. Do y'all see this dog? This is an awesome dog. I just want to grab it and hold it like a stuffed animal. Oh man, look at this one, bro. Look at him. He's like, what's good? He's just trying to nap, bro. This is Becca's dog. Oh man, whose dog is this? This is Becca's other dog. Oh man, I love dogs. We got some ducks. I love ducks. Oh, they're so cute. I just want to pet them. Got ducks. We got a cat. 3 French bulldogs. This one's knocked out. Play dog. Rest in peace, my boy Toby. He looks like such a sweet dog, man. Got some spiders. Some cicadas. 3 a.m.'s dog. Oh man, I love pets. Long and short, those are my ducks and cat. Oh yeah, this one up here. This is a nice cat, man. You know, I think cats are evil, honestly. I think cats are super evil. I try to stay away from cats. I know they hate me. Also, if you are a military veteran, check this page out. We will give you a green color. Thank you for your service. You guys are awesome. You guys are cool, right? And we're here. We've been there. We support, you know, your we support your decision to try to pursue things outside of the military, because it's hard to, you know, if you're in the military, it's just hard to focus on 2 things. And if you're out, you know, you're making it happen, right? You guys served your time. You know, I was out, I was out there in Iraq one time, man. It's just like, what is this all for? You know, what are we doing? Eventually, kind of mature through it, and you see that you want to do the things you want to do. So you start trading and investing, and you make it. You want to feel free. You want to live life. Check out our Sweat Equity. This is where you put out your workout. You know what I'm saying? So can I add? Wait. 5 months. How am I gonna wear this? Got out 5 months ago. I'm getting fat. Yeah, I need help. Profit and loss hub. Post your profit and losses right here. Jake the Cake, followed on Twitch, but it's from my gaming channel reports at C130. Oh, it doesn't matter, man. Any, you know, it doesn't matter, brother. It does not matter, you know. You know, just what just happened to the heck? Yeah, it doesn't matter as long as you're following it, man. That way you don't miss out on anything. Food, wow, bro, y'all see this? Wow, y'all see this food? Look at this cake. Becca's making killer cakes, and this looks great too, bro. Wow. Oh man, look at that. Yo, guys, I know you know that looks delicious, right? I mean, I'm a vegan, like, and that looks good. Wow. How does he get these perfect 360 potato shot, or these potato fries shots? Look at this burger. Whoever cropped that is a genius. And a sandwich. Wow. Gaming channel. Yeah, check these channels out, guys. They're awesome. We can add more. If you guys have any suggestions at all, please check out. Where is it at? See that? I'm trying to tell y'all. Oh, okay, here, resources. If you have any suggestions, please check out the suggestions. Please check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. You can put what you guys want to see on here, and we will look at it. We will look at it. We will go over it. We are good. We're doing our best to improve the community. So just take it, you know, go in there, and if you guys have a suggestion, right? You got Escudo saying, hey, at C130, I have a suggestion. You guys like to use that, everyone, but it does get a little bit spammy, which is valid. Thank you, which is valid. Since you have such nicely organized things, I suggest encouraging the use of at here that will ping the current channel, and then folks can set the channels they want for notifications. Wow. Okay, yeah, that is a very good suggestion. Very good suggestion. See, guys, if you guys are ever seeing an issue with the Discord, or you are seeing any sorts of problems, you know, maybe something's getting too spammy, even if it's inconvenient for you, it's completely fine. Just let it be known, okay? Some issues, granted, some issues, you know, are a little difficult to manage around, which is completely, you know, it happens, you know. Some issues, you know, are a little bit too difficult to manage, but it's not your fault that we aren't there for you. We want to be there for you. That's how we want to make you guys feel. So put in the suggestions what you think we can do. Maybe someone's like, hey, can you guys stream more at 7? And then a bunch of people are, hey, yeah, I miss it too. 7, you know, 777. We'll go check our analytics, and we'll look at where the data is pointing towards, and where we can find the sweet spot between the ups and downs. Maybe there's a sweet spot in the time where both sides of Europe and US can get, you know, the same time. So please, you know, please let your opinion be heard. We are here to listen. Sweat equity. Ever heard of Jim? What's the point? Shortcut to shred. Oh man, I've never heard of that. I'm gonna talk to him in a sec. Let's see. Oh, Chartings and Platforms is here as well. So if you guys want to go ahead and post in there some stuff, we have Charting and TA here, and TradingView and Excel charts. That way we can help you guys out separately for what you need. Trade alerts are also here. We went through that. Scalp and swing. Schedule. But yeah, we're chilling, guys. We are chilling. We are also looking for moderators. We're looking for moderators. If you're interested in being a moderator, shoot 3 a.m. a message. Shoot 3 a.m. a message and title it. Right? Don't message him if you're not interested, okay? Because he has a lot that he's dealing with. But just shoot him a message and say, I want to be a moderator because XYZ. This is my time zone. Because we need moderators, guys, but we need to do a screening for our mods to make sure that everything is good. Because we know there's people out there that, you know, get mod and then they go crazy and they kind of just ruin the experience for people. Okay, so because of those people, you know, you kind of have to screen because you have a few bad apples in the crowd, you know, some bad apples. It's like the moose on, y'all seen the moose that was on fermented apples? Like let's show you what bad apples do.
Evening, and I come, you know, because I hear and I see some local hunter.
Is there a video? Was it the elk? There's no video, I guess, but it was drunk on fermented apples and it fell asleep on this tree like that. Poor thing couldn't even get out, man. Was chafing his poor little, you know, leg right there because he was just so drunk. You know, that's tough, man. Fermented apples, right? Bad apples. Few bad apples in the crowd. Gotta watch out for them, guys. If you guys see any bad apples in the chat or in the Discord or anywhere, just let us know, okay? There will be bad apples everywhere, just like how there will always be people shorting when you're longing, okay? They're just evil and don't know why they're there, you know? As somebody asked earlier if I was in a trade, I am not in a trade. I am not currently not in a trade. I was in a trade earlier when Bitcoin Brad shorted. I kind of looked the entire thing over and kind of went for a short as well. Made like a good like 1%. I think I got stopped out. I went twice. I got stopped out the first time. I went again the second time. But the move never dropped, and I had my stop super tight. So it was like a 1%. If I didn't get greedy, I would have had like a 3%. But I was like, oh, I can just go a little bit more, and I kind of pulled my stop and profits, and it just got hit when I could have just gotten out, but never really lost anything, but I could have made more. But then again, it all boils down to greed, and it's like, oh, what are you gonna do, right? Is my brain telling me to do it or not? I gotta read some chats. I talked so much. A mining channel. Okay. Put it in the suggestions, guys. Put it in the suggestions. Becca B says, thanks you for your service. Oh, it was an honor. It was awesome. I loved doing what I did, and it was great. Bitcoin Brad's making the class for EXO, so you guys, be prepared for that. Finally pulled the trigger on it before the stream. I'm gonna be spamming in food channel. Living in the left coast area, so long and short. Nice. Yeah, I like the West Coast. Midnight. Hope you don't speak about me. Haha. Yeah. Midnight he's a very very well experienced trader. Guys, check him out, right? Whenever he posts some stuff, it is a big deal. I'm talking like big deal. Like, imagine a regular deal. Imagine that piece of paper and then expand that deal by like 30. That's like a big deal. Long and short, no problem. Homie after the stream though. What are you talking about, long and short? Ivan, how long did it take you guys to make trading a full-time income? Yeah, it was a grind, man. It was a grind, Ivan. It takes time. I mean, for me, it took me about a year. But then again, right? Sometimes I wish I wouldn't have left my job, because sometimes having trading cover your income is cool and all, but like, you're essentially taking an opportunity cost, because you could still be trading and just work a little bit more and exponentially grow your assets and your investments, which is kind of like where I'm at, right, guys? Just so you guys have like, a little bit of like knowledge of why I'm saying this. Like, it's okay, it's doable, but it's just like, you could, if you're a smart, not that anybody here isn't smart, but like a really smart move for somebody to do is to like kind of like, put up with their job while also having a good, amount coming in. And I'm getting a call from Brad. Hello?
Yeah. What's up, man?
Oh, what's up, brother? How you doing, man?
Good. How about you?
Oh, I'm chilling, bro. I'm on stream right now. You're on stream.
Nice. What's up, everybody?
What you been up to, man?
Share your screen so I can see it.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, bro. How you been?
Good. Just got
chilling?
the kids to bed and stuff. Just watching basketball and stuff.
Oh yeah, that's dope. See, guys, at least we got Brad in here. You know what I'm saying? He's a dad, so he has to deal with all that stuff. You gotta deal with evil minions, bro.
Yeah, I'll just pull up this stream, that way I can see the chat, because I'm sure.
Here, you want me to pop it up like this or no?
Oh yeah, that works. Yeah.
Nah, man, I'm not ready for kids, bro. Are you ever really ready?
I was ready.
Oh, nice. People tell me that you're never really ready, but I'm like, I feel like there's a way you can be ready, mentally ready. Midnight, SE130, haha, thanks, bro. Well, today it was not that big, but it will come soon. Yeah, hey, Brad, right? Midnight has very good TA, right? Very good depth of the market, right?
Yeah, Midnight has a very similar trading style to myself too. So I like his view on the market, where he's looking at is typically we're looking at the same thing for the most part. Except today he was trying to go long all goddamn day, and I was trying to go short.
Yeah, I feel that, dude. He's smart.
But he knows how to cut. He knows how to cut trades quick, and that's key, guys. Is like something that's gonna let you have longevity in the game, basically in this trading journey that you're going on, is going to be the ability to cut your losers quick. Sometimes you're going to be getting these certain things that are going to be telling you, oh, well, I should stay in the trade or whatever, this and that. But you got to think about it as you got in a trade for a reason, right? And as soon as you get in a trade, you're reevaluating this trade constantly as the trade's going on. And so if you have, a set amount of reasons of why you're getting in this trade, and then all of a sudden, as you get in the trade, you start to see the reason going away. Like, let's say you're getting a nice little volume pump, or you're seeing more buyers, or we're supposed to be running some stops, right? And then all of a sudden you're in this trade, and you see the volume start to die down. You see the buyers start taking profit, and you start to see us not being able to break some of these tops to push these stops. Instead of just sitting here, waiting to make the trade and saying what if, either exit the trade if you're seeing the momentum start to build in the other direction, or properly manage your trade. So like set certain limitations. A lot of people set their stop as a liquidation price. Like, and that's kind of a dangerous game to play. Like, if you're basically just betting at that point, basically just taking your $100, figuratively, and putting it on, 13 black on a roulette table and spinning the wheel and just kind of, hoping that it hits. And that's just not like a realistic or sustainable thing that you can do for a long period of time. There's really no such thing as a professional gambler besides poker players, right? And poker, I don't really consider gambling. There's a lot of skill involved in poker, but
yeah, I saw one of the top guys in poker. Like, I guess it gets very serious when you do competitive poker. Like, there's this thing called like edging or something like that, like on the edges of the card or something, like where the card will have like a certain number, or sort of, I guess somebody can choose the brand of cards, and some cards have like a thing on the edge that differentiates them or whatever. And like, it gets super serious, bro. It's just like, oh, I thought it was gambling. Like,
I actually used to, 3AM could tell you this. I was actually a champion at poker in Korea. I won, like, there was like this tournament that was like it was like 9 months long or something, or like 6 months long or something. We'd play every Sunday, and then you'd accumulate points, and based off of how you your position in the tournament every week would accumulate, and then there was like a final table where you would place, and then I'm winning and getting like a coin and a ring and stuff. Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Dang, bro, that's where you get your risk management
poker
from.
Yeah.
Man, got that risk management on lock. I feel that, bro. That's dope, though. So, Colin Groves, what happened to C137? I missed it. No, I just had to change it. Just change my name real quick, man. Nothing crazy. Potential. Oh, okay. 3 AM already addressed it. Dracula. I was dog ready when I got my dog. Yeah, that's where I'm at. My dog, she's too much. She's such a sweetheart, though, man. She just loves cuddling with me at night. Like, she'll go to her bed and she'll come up on bed and she'll just lay there, sniff my hair, and fall asleep. I'm like, oh, so nice. Because my wife works night shift, so it's just comforting. This man 3 AM thinks he's funny in the chat. Trying to go in on me. Oh, why'd I say that? Did I really say that? Why'd I say that?
I didn't know what you were talking about. I just let it go.
It's like, well, like there's a thing that's on the side of the cards. I don't know what it is. Apparently, this is something that identifies what cards are what, and some dude got accused for it, like in some sort of like world championship thing.
Like marking the cards?
Yeah,
maybe?
yeah. Like the way the company produces the cards gives off a certain signature for whatever card it is, just because of where the logo is on the card, because of the way it's printed. It's some weird stuff. Some super like professional cheater type thing. But I mean, the dude, he was saying, he was like, it don't matter because I guess they know about the issue and they like, it's like a legal thing, but like the casino still blessed off on that pack of cards. So like at the end of the day, it was their fault. And they like didn't pay him his money or something because of that. And like he was saying that it was because the casino lost, and since the casino's not used to losing, they didn't want to pay up their money. because they had to pay
Makes
him a good
sense.
chunk. Yeah, like it was something like that. He was just upset, bro. He was super pissed. Like he
So
was
that
super
was
pissed.
probably like in like blackjack or something like
Yeah.
that. Not really like Texas Hold'em or like a competitive like poker game.
Yeah.
Because those competitive poker games, like it'd be really hard to cheat or something like that.
Yeah.
A lot of times at
Exactly.
casinos, like they have like custom cards for the casino, and they're like specially made so people can't do stuff like that.
That makes sense. That makes sense. I think I'd be seeing that. They got like those fancy cards.
Yeah, most casinos have like their own card.
That makes sense. Brad,
So
what do
it's
you? Yeah, go ahead.
oh good. No, go ahead.
Oh yeah. No, I was gonna say, what do you feel like your insight is on where the price could be going now, since it's like going up very linearly right now?
I mean, I haven't really looked at a chart, but from what I was looking at earlier, it looked like we failed to really like make any like serious lows. We kind of just drifted lower, which is what I was looking at today, which is the reason I took that short today. I know like the market cipher was disagreeing with me 100% apparently, because of what was happening today, guys, is we were seeing a lot of mixed price action, right? And so a lot of market cipher is momentum, right? And so what happens is they pump in this momentum, and then all of a sudden you get your green dot, or you get your crossover, or you get your money flow, or whatever it is, and it tells you, okay, this is a good spot to get in. And then what was happening is when we'd get to these tops of these bars, we were making consecutive lower highs like almost all day. And you would see at the top, we were just trapping buyers because people were trying to buy the breakout. And that's a big thing with, retail traders like you and I. You got to think about it. Most of them are not trading on market structure. Most people are trading on indicators. And so that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to buy these breakouts so they can, get in and, ride price, to 40K or something like that. And it was pretty easy to see just with the market structure, just basically, but like how it went down. And it was actually, kind of funny because if you look at price structure, it kind of looks like a big bull flag, right? I know a lot of pattern people, but the thing is a lot of people don't take advantage of that, of that pattern. Whereas I decided, and I posted that it was a fade. I posted that it was a risky fade too, because price is obviously up. We made a higher high, we made a higher low, and then we made another higher high. And then, we started to fade back. And the reason I didn't exit the trade is because it just didn't show us anything as far as real buyers coming in to break the gap. And so then, from there, just kind of sat in it. The trade ended up working. Now price is bouncing, and so now we're just going to be watching. Let me see the level that I was looking at. I don't have a chart open. It looks like the 37,850 if I'm looking at your chart. So like right above there, right above that 37,850. If we get above that, there's gonna be some stops from there, and then that 37,900. There's gonna be some stops from there all the way, basically straight through like that 37,925 level. So there's gonna be some stops to get ran up there if price gets up there. So those are key areas to watch for sure. The tops of those. No, not right there. The top of that wick. The top of that big wick. That's where those stops are at. Yeah, they're up there. So the top of not that wick. That wick stop's already gone. So the one on the left. Next one. That one. The top of the wick. So that's where the stops are at. Right there.
Gotcha.
So those 4 bars right there. That's where those wicks are going to be at. And so what you're going to be looking for is as price gets up to that level, you're going to be looking to see how, these sellers try to defend this level. And you guys have to remember, where we bounced off of down there was a previous consolidation area. We bounced right off the top of it. So it's pretty good, support and a pretty good sign for a bullish continuation as far as, how the market structure is going. So now what we're looking to see is, we're getting, if you draw, you see where those bars on the left kind of, you see those
Which
those
ones?
bars kind of like double wicked. So go left, like one more left, and the bottom of that bar, and draw a straight line right there. Like a
Horizontal.
full, full horizontal. Yeah.
Got you.
And so if you look at this level here, you see we have wicks that came straight down to it, the bottom of both of those bars, and then we have a little bit of market structure. So as we approach this line, this is going to be a key level to get above and reclaim if we want to continue this up pattern, right? Because we've broken out of this little like micro pullback downtrend, which turned out to be a pretty decent fade. Caught a couple points on there, and then so this is gonna be what I'd like to see is for us to break it, and then hold it, and then try to catch the breakout above those wicks, like, or through those wicks. So like maybe try to get in right before those wicks, or get in when we hold this line right here, and then kind of push through those wicks. But you got to remember, if price goes up to those wicks and it doesn't just push through, you got to be quick to pop out of there, right? Take a smaller loss. One thing I recommend too is not just getting in and out and getting in and out and getting in and out. You just want to wait for the price action to be at the right spot. Today was such low volume, and then the market the overall market, like the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq, have been trading very similar to Bitcoin, and so this has kind of been leading me down that road a little bit, making a little bit of a correlation play. The Nasdaq rolled over early today, and when I say rolled over, I mean like they say like roll over and die or whatever. Like that's kind of what I'm relating to when I say that. So I think that it was just a matter of time until people started taking some profits. We saw the Asian market open up, and it just ran stops to the upside and the downside. Standard Asian market open. If you go back for the past 4 days, they've done the same thing every single day, and that's just to get in control of the price action going through the session, right? They just want to make sure that they have all of the position, so they run the stops below, they run the stops above. The interesting thing today is that on this up move, it stopped short of a pretty decent market structure position. So it'll be interesting to see if they try to push price up there and see how the sellers react, right? So they were able to they pushed up there, and obviously sellers defended the first time when they came up there. That's why we have this huge wick. And so they decided to push the price down, gather some more buyers up, and now they're slowly taking the price up. Sellers are taking profit, is what it looks like to me. I'm not sure what the volume is on the Bybit exchange for the session, but we can see once we get up over this. I mean, it doesn't look like very much because price is like barely moving at all. So. But those are the key levels that I'm watching. Then of course, to the low side, like just a break of the structure down there. We've got we definitely got a bunch of sell stops down there that if we get down there, they're gonna run those things out. So
Talking about these back here.
let me see. Yeah, down below. So you see how we like came down right here, and we bounced off basically previous market structure. So like we had that consolidation period to the left. Our pullback right here came right back down to the top, which is why the targets were where they were at. And then as it goes to bounce up, we're paying attention to this level right here. This level is going to be key to get below in order for a real short to be on. Right. I know a lot of people out there also are also looking to like kind of like almost like buy and sell in like every single candle, right? And I understand that the fees on Bybit are just crazy, right? And if you are doing this thing over and over and you're getting these these fees and getting these really small wins or some really small losses, but you're doing it, 100 times a day. 3 a.m. could tell you, one day I paid I think it was like $1,000 in commission because I was just like clicking the button so much, and it was just like, it really, really eats into your gains. You might have had a really good day, but you gave back $1,000 in commission, and then your really, really good day is really not so good because all of it went to commission.
That's
So,
rough.
Yeah.
You got like a moment of realization after that?
It was just mainly just like, I just need to start, it was just a day where I'm just not following my plan. You know what I mean? I'm getting frustrated with the market, forcing my trades, and that's bound to happen with anybody. You're gonna force trades. You're gonna, as a risk manager, I'm always looking to earn, right? Especially because it's my career. But what I'm looking for is, mostly just the ability to be able to be patient and wait for it, right? And so that's why I stick to the one time frame, because I can look on a million time frames and find what I'm looking for. But the thing is, when you're sitting to one time frame or two time frames, right? Let's say you're looking at, maybe like a 1 hour and a 30-minute, or like I like to look at the daily and the 30-minute, like look at the daily to see the trend and maybe find some good levels, and then look at the 30-minute for like intraday trading. But you got to wait. Like I like to tell people, let the market come to you. The market will come to you eventually. And if it doesn't, then you just won't make a trade. There's nothing wrong with not making a trade that day, right? Especially if all the other trades you're making are good, successful trades. Not even successful as far as that you made money, because that's not the definition of a successful trade. I'll take a trader that manages risk and sticks to their trade plan 10 out of 10 times than a trader that, hits some home runs, right? Because in a clutch situation, do you need this runner to get on base or this batter to get on base, or do you need him to hit home run? Yeah, it'd be nice if he hit home run, but what if your only two options are home run or strikeout, and you've got another guy that gets on base, 80% of the time, most managers of baseball teams are gonna pick the guy with the high batting percentage for sure.
Especially if it's like, if you strike out, and then they gotta,
Yeah.
it's an intermission, you gotta switch sides,
Exactly.
It's like you wasted your chance just trying to hit it big when you could have just at least, got a guy on base and one guy back at home plate. I've been watching a lot of baseball, man. It's funny when they argue with the umpires, bro. I'm telling you. I literally watch like managers yell at the umpires' faces and then yell back. And then they eject them and the crowd goes crazy and then they start fighting.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I'm just like, what the heck, bro? They're savages. Oh, for real,
Long
bro?
and short said he had a bunch of $2 wins today to test his progress, but still had a negative $18 day. Yeah, that tends to happen, especially a day like today. So, Bitcoin's been consolidating for the past. I mean, it's been consolidating, then moving, consolidating, then moving. But today's range was pretty tight. Like if you guys pull up exo charts or even just like a 30-minute candle and zoom in, the range was a pretty small range. And so a lot of times what happens like that, it either happens right after a big move, which we did have a pretty big move. If you measure from that top to the bottom, it's probably like a good 10% move. And it also sometimes preludes a big move. So, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I feel you, bro. Like, it broke past that, bro. Did you see that? You were saying?
Oh, did it go?
Yeah.
I'm not looking at a chart, so I'm not.
Here, I got it.
Let me look at yours.
I got it right
Okay,
here.
so it's over the line now, right? And so now what we look for is for it to hold the line. Let's see, the next candle is going to open up in about, what's that, 12 minutes or so?
Yeah, 12.
Yeah. So we look to see if it's going to hold this level, right? So you're seeing some selling come in, right on time, right on market structure. That's what that little pullback was from. So now you want to see if buyers are going to hold the level, and if buyers hold the level, this would be a decent spot to try to test that long, right? But the thing is, with this slow volume right here, it's kind of tough. I know a lot of people are probably long from below, right? But for me, I'm more looking for confirmation. And so, like, for me, I'm looking to run some stops and get paid quick. I'm not looking to kind of sit in a trade all day, hoping that it's going to work.
Exactly, because it's all about managing that risk, right?
Right. I'm not trying. Yeah, exactly. It's just, I'm not trying to have to manage the trade. Like today, the trade kind of managed itself. I wasn't actually able to get the computer all day, so it's just kind of sitting in there. But luckily for me, price didn't move in the wrong direction before it moved in the right direction. So
hey, at least you stuck it, bro. At least you stuck to your trade plan.
yeah, and then that's key. Like that's kind of like I was saying. I'd rather have a trader that manages risk and sticks to his trade plan than a trader that makes a trade plan and then just kind of starts freelancing all the time. It's a recipe for disaster. Yeah, sometimes are they gonna have really good trading days? Yeah, I'm sure, but you never know what's gonna happen because they're not following their trade plan. So it just leaves a lot more risk on the table. And one thing people like to do is basically gamble at some points when it comes to this, is that they just jump on and decide, what, I just lost a trade, so I'm going the other way, right? And then, right, so we saw it hold the line. Let's see if we can see it run some stops. And so if it pops these stops up here, I think they're sitting at like 37,850. Yeah, they're sitting right around 37,850. So if it pops these stops up here, it should be able to pop those stops above. That should give us a little fire, unless we see some strong selling. But we are seeing an increase in volume in the buyers. We didn't really see a huge increase in sellers on the way down. So we'll see if it pops. The price action is just like so slow right now. It's tough to really tell.
Yeah, it is. It is pretty tough. It's just kind of like holding there. But guys, as of now, the price action is this is pretty much an update on what the price action is doing. If you guys can hit the like button so we can destroy the YouTube algorithm, that'd be great. That'd be awesome, just so we can reach out other potential family members to add to our Discord and to add to our community that this information can be of value to. So if you guys can run up those likes, that'd be dope. It'd be dope, right? It's not really for us. It's really for them, It's all about being able to, provide back to other people with value. That's what, me, Bitcoin Brad, and 3AM's motto is, We want to be able to provide you guys with that value. And if, the community is coming together and having to hit the like button will get us out there to people, I have no doubt in my mind that that's what we'll do together, because we're about helping out the little guy, all about helping out the people who need the help the most. That's what it is at the end of the day, right, Brad? I mean, you got to really be able to, teach people these skills that are just hidden behind so many false gurus, and you know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. Like I would tell everyone in the Discord, like, I'm not here to, give you some voodoo or anything. I'm literally just here to, like I said, show you the way. Right? Take the red pill, have a revelation, and you're gonna be like, what have I been doing this whole time? You're out here, you've tried, so many different strategies, and they've worked sometimes and then they don't work, and then they work sometimes and they don't work. And this is a strategy that's going to be able to help you all the time, no matter what. Like I said, the market's going up, down, backwards, sideways, left, right. No matter where the market's going, market structure is always going to be market structure. And that's just how it works. And so you'll be able to follow it no matter what. No green dot, just red pills.
Yeah, exactly. And it's not even about how much of the, the price goes, or it's not about if it's in the red and the green. As long as you know direction, you can always make money.
Exactly. And that's the whole point, is that we're here for. Like I said, I'm not here to try to help you guys become rich or drive a Lambo, right? Like I said, I drive a Nissan. and I got a discount on it because my dad works at the dealership. So my goal is to help you guys learn to trade for a living, and the whole goal is, so you guys can enjoy life, right? Normally, I mean, I've been on the computer a little bit more, but normally 3 a.m. and we're on the computer pretty early. We trade for a couple of hours, and then that's it. Then I go get some exercise. We jump back on the computer and trade power hour, and then the rest of the day I just do whatever I want for the most part, because the market's closed. So my job is done, and the market closes where I'm at 1 o'clock. So 1 p.m. So from there it's just kind of just do whatever I want. A lot of times I'm refining my craft, or hanging with my kids, or swimming in the pool, or doing something like that. But that's my whole goal for you guys, is to just get you guys to that point and try to help you guys on this journey as you're going forward, to get you guys to where you're able to jump on your computer for a couple of hours and not have it feel like work, have it feel like you're doing something that you're enjoying, and then be done, right? And then what I expect out of you guys is to pay it forward. Be a good member in the community. Don't be bashing anybody, or telling someone that they don't know shit because they're new, or they just don't know yet, and you've been here for a couple months, right? And then remember, you've always got to stay humble, right? I've been doing this for a while. I don't know everything. Tons of people out there that I'm sure could teach me something. I'm not against learning something new. What I am against is people that just share bullshit, and I don't have a huge high tolerance for that, as C-130 can tell you. Because like I said, I'm here to help you guys learn to trade for a living.
Yeah, and like you said, Brad, with people see the market as this dark thing that they just for some reason are messing up in, and they go to work and they come back and trade the market, but you want to provide them with the opportunity and ability to be able to use the market so that it can buy back their time.
Exactly.
Now you don't have to go to work, and trading is easier.
And it's something you enjoy, right?
Exactly.
Most of us work out of necessity because we need money. But if you can get to the point where, your trading is becoming consistent and you're enjoying what you're doing, well, now you're going to be enjoying your whole day. You're not going to be working out of necessity. You're going to be doing something that you enjoy, refining your craft every single day, and then, doing something else you enjoy. Maybe you like to fish or golf or hunt. We have such a huge community here of people from all over the world. Some of us like to drink, right? So, you have all this extra time to get ready to go to the bar, or, whatever you want to do. So, that's kind of the whole goal of this community, for sure.
And definitely, guys, we will try to provide that with as much, effort as we're willing to set forward, which is a lot of effort, because we are going to do everything we can to continue what we have. And guys, it's an awesome Discord. Everyone there's cool, very good knowledge, and everyone there wins. Brad, do you have anything else that you would like to add? I'm going to come to a little conclusion here so people can go about their day. That way you guys, can go back into trading. We don't have many updates other than the things we gave you guys. So I'm going to see if it's good with Brad.
So I mean, just one last thing, right? I'm kind of on my soapbox over here.
No, you're good, man.
One thing is that what I want you guys to understand, right, is that it's not a process that is just going to happen overnight, or even in a couple months. Maybe not even in a year. It can take a long period of time, and it does take effort. It's not just gonna happen, right? I'm not gonna just be able to transform you into Neo, like they say, right? So in the Matrix, they say you can only show you the door, you have to walk through it, right? So if you think about it like that, right, I'm going to give you all the tools, but it's going to be on you to be able to use them correctly and manage risk and stick to your trade plan, and that's going to be ultimately the thing that's going to propel you to where you want to be, right? And if your actual goal is to become a full-time risk manager and do this as a career, well, then you're going to have to be willing to put in the effort, and it's going to be difficult, right, to balance two things at once, especially if you have a full-time job. But it's hard work pays off later, right? Short-term sacrifices for long-term gains is what they say.
Exactly.
But that's pretty much it. Thanks for letting me pop on for a quick second. I figured I'd just pop in and say hey to everybody. Sorry I don't get to get in and do some chart analysis with you guys, but tomorrow I'll be able to jump on stream, be able to pull up some of my charts, and we can have a nice jump in session. So
Heck yeah, man. No, we needed you, bro. We needed Bitcoin Brad. Everyone was trying to see where Bitcoin Brad was. It's on the thumbnail, but they were trying to see where you were at, bro. You're always staring at crypto face like you're mad. Nah, but guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Make sure to check out the Discord. Make sure to check out that Instagram post. You can find a lot of good stuff there. I will post it in the chat right now, so check that out. Really cool stuff. There's the Discord. Check that out, and also check out the Instagram. And read through it and just see if it's something that you're interested in, to be able to get into that session with Bitcoin Brad and myself, and we will help you guys out as much as we can. Anyways, you guys have a great rest of your day, morning, night, wherever you're at. You guys take it easy, have a good one, and trade safely.